My name is Michelle Rogers. I am a police officer. I work in the community policing division. I've been at my department for about 7 years. Basically, our mission or our goal is to bridge the gap between police officers and the community and make it in a positive interaction. I'm a full-time mom of 3. This is Sofia, aka Chocolate Chip. Between maybe 9 months, she had maybe about 13 to 14 ear infections. She was experiencing a lot of medical issues. And because of those medical issues, she's had some delays. I ended up deciding on Mark's floors. The customer service was great, and I went in there and I got to talking with him, and I told him the situation about Sofia. And he said that he wanted to use my home to pilot this carpet in America. So this is gonna make a huge improvement, and I'm so excited about it.
You know, Mark gives a lot to this community, and what he saw was an officer who gives so much to the community, and him wanting to give back to Michelle. I immediately called him and just thanked him for that kind gesture. You know, sometimes people see just the uniform and they forget about the person behind that uniform. It could be a mother, a father, a sister, brother, a child. And Michelle Rogers has been able to balance that lifestyle of being that loving mother to her family and also being a police officer where she truly loves the community.